fact that more and more cars come from the factory with drive-by-wire throttle setups, and this Chevy Camaro behind me is no exception to the fact. If you own a 5th or 6th gen Camaro, you've probably noticed the lack in throttle response. Luckily, there's a product that can eliminate the delayed response of your electric throttle. PedalMAX is the industry's first solution designed to improve throttle response and make your Camaro more exciting to drive. PedalMAX eliminates throttle lag from your computer-controlled throttle body. It also improves bottom-end and mid-range torque and horsepower at the same time.
We tested the Camaro with the JMS installed, and it made 407 horsepower. That's almost a 12 horsepower gain with an additional 14 pound-feet of torque.
JMS's PedalMAX can also be used in conjunction with other aftermarket parts, so there's no need to remove anything. The installation takes less than 5 minutes. Simply disconnect your car's negative battery terminal, plug the black box from the kit into the supplied harness, locate your car's accelerator pedal assembly and the associated pedal sensor under the dash, unplug the factory harness from the pedal, and plug it into the PedalMAX harness. Then, finish under the dash by plugging the PedalMAX harness into the pedal assembly. Reconnect your battery, and your Camaro's ready to go. No extra programming is needed. Simply put your foot down and start enjoying the improved power and throttle response of your Camaro. Yeah, I would say that the performance implications are immediately apparent. There is absolutely no lag in the pedal. As soon as you touch it with your foot, it's on the gas. Product that comes in at a value like that, I don't think you could find a better way to spend your money.